what I wanted to share in this short video was how you can copy pretty much anything in Excel and the easy way to do it. So it's just one technique that you can apply to many different things. So here we go. Let's see. Let's make a start. Okay, so you can copy pretty much anything in Excel by pointing to, if you're working with a range, pointing to the border, drag across, hold the control key. So I'm using the mouse at the moment, going to hold the control key down and then release the mouse. And that's just made an exact copy of that. Now it works for everything. So if I want to copy a chart, if I want to copy a text box, so all I'm doing is dragging these, hold the control key, release the mouse. Now this is an icon, that's a new feature in Excel and it works for them as well. So basically just drag it, hold the control key and release the mouse. Now, I said it works for everything on the sheet, so even there's a checkbox there, so I can drag that across and there, and quickly before the minute's out, you can do it with a sheet as well. Hold the control key, release the mouse, and you make an exact copy of the sheet, and I'll stop it. Oh, just made it. So there you go. So that's the easiest way to copy pretty much anything in Excel. You just drag the item, so where you'd normally do a drag and drop, hold the control key whilst using the mouse. So hold the control key down. The control key must stay down until you release the mouse, and then you can release the control key. But yeah, so that's the easy way to copy in Excel. Hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching.